Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing two fantastic countertop ice makers, the Countertop Ice Maker and the Smug Ice Maker. Both promise quick ice production in just 6 minutes, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $99.99, while the Smug Ice Maker offers a more budget-friendly option at $69.99. This significant price difference makes the Smug Ice Maker an attractive choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing quality. Another key difference is the ice size options. The Countertop Ice Maker produces a single size of bullet ice, while the Smug Ice Maker offers the versatility of 2 sizes, small and large. This feature allows users to choose the perfect ice size for their beverages, enhancing the overall experience. Noise level is an important consideration, especially for those using these machines in quiet environments. The Countertop Ice Maker operates at less than 45 decibels, while the Smug Ice Maker is designed to be even quieter, operating at under 40 decibels. This makes the Smug Ice Maker a better option for offices or shared spaces. In conclusion, both the Countertop Ice Maker and the Smug Ice Maker have their strengths. If you're looking for affordability and versatility in ice sizes, the Smug Ice Maker is the clear winner. However, if you prefer a slightly more powerful and efficient machine, the Countertop Ice Maker is still a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.